When Nehemiah heard Jerusalem's walls lay in ruins, he was filled with sorrow. Asking King Artaxerxes for permission, he traveled to the city and inspired its people to rebuild. Despite threats from enemies like Sanballat and Tobiah, Nehemiah stood firm, organizing workers with tools in one hand and weapons in the other. He encouraged the people, saying, "Our God will fight for us." Through unity, faith, and relentless effort, the walls rose once more, completed in just 52 days. Nehemiah's courage and leadership restored hope and security to Jerusalem.